Welcome to AI Portal, your gateway to learning artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how those chatbots on websites can answer your questions in seconds? What if I told you you could create your own chatbot today? Yes, even if you're a beginner. Whether it's for customer support, a personal assistant, or just a fun side project, chatbots are a perfect introduction to the world of AI. In this tutorial, we'll explore two ways to build a chatbot. First, using a free tool called Dialogflow, ideal if you don't want to code. And second, we'll dive into coding a chatbot in Python for those of you who want to understand the inner workings. By the end, you'll not only have a working chatbot, but also know how to make it smarter and deploy it on platforms like websites or messaging apps. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Before we jump into building one, let's take a step back and understand what a chatbot actually is. At its core, a chatbot is a program designed to simulate human conversation. You've probably encountered chatbots on customer service websites, apps, or even social media. But did you know there are two main types of chatbots? The first type is rule-based chatbots. These follow predefined rules to respond to specific questions. For instance, if you ask, "What are your store hours?" the bot simply pulls a pre-written answer. These are great for handling FAQs, but can feel robotic when the question doesn't match its rules. Then we have AI-powered chatbots. These use something called natural language processing, or NLP, to understand and respond to queries in a more conversational way. For example, an AI chatbot can recognize when you say, "What time are you open tomorrow?" and still provide the correct answer, even if it hasn't seen that exact question before. A great example of this is how AI chatbots can handle customer support or even act as virtual tutors. So, whether you're looking to build something simple or advanced, understanding these two types will help you decide which path to follow. What's the most impressive chatbot you've used? Was it helpful or frustrating? Let us know in the comments below. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to building your chatbot. We'll start with Dialogflow, a free, beginner-friendly tool from Google. Here's how it works. First, create a free Dialogflow account. Once logged in, you'll create a new project and define what's called intents. Intents are essentially user queries like, "What are your hours?" or "Can I book an appointment?" For each intent, you'll provide training phrases, examples of what a user might say, and responses the bot will deliver. Finally, you can test your chatbot in Dialogflow's simulator before deploying it on a website or messaging platform. If you're comfortable with a bit of coding, let's explore building a chatbot in Python. For this, you'll use libraries like ChatterBot. First, you'll install the library by running a simple pip command in your terminal. Then, you'll write a script that creates the bot and trains it using a dataset of questions and answers. Here's an example script. Once you've trained your bot, you can test it by asking questions and seeing how it responds. Both approaches are beginner-friendly and give you the flexibility to build your chatbot according to your needs. Now, let's make your chatbot smarter. AI-powered bots use NLP, which allows them to understand human language better. For example, you can integrate pre-trained language models like GPT-4. These models are incredibly powerful and can understand complex queries or even hold a conversation. If you're using Python, integrating APIs like OpenAI's GPT API is straightforward. With just a few lines of code, you can transform your chatbot into an advanced conversational agent. Here's an example. Imagine a bookstore chatbot that recommends books based on the user's preferences. By connecting the bot to a database of book titles and genres, it can provide personalized suggestions in real time. Finally, it's time to test and deploy your chatbot. Start by simulating common user queries to ensure your bot responds accurately. Once you're satisfied, deploy your chatbot to platforms like Facebook Messenger, Slack, or even your website. Most tools, including Dialogflow, provide integrations to make this process seamless. Remember, the key to a great chatbot is continuous improvement. Gather feedback from users and update your bot regularly to make it even smarter. And that's it. You've built your very own chatbot. Whether it's for business, education, or just for fun, this is a great first step into the world of AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. In the future, we'll dive into analyzing chatbot performance and taking it to the next level. If you're excited to learn more about AI and explore the latest trends and tools, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with any questions you have about AI. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on AI Portal, where we unlock the potential of artificial intelligence together.